Guys, good evening to everyone. So guys, I just want to share that I made some soup, chicken soup. Actually, in Filipino language is sinigang na manok. So guys, I made some soup for my dinner because I think I'm craving. So I was looking to eat something, but actually guys, I'm doing my fasting. So today I'm going to break it because tomorrow is my day off and it's okay that I'm not going to bed early today. So that's why I decided to add some soup only. Come join me guys, it's really yummy. Sinigang na manok, ang sarap. I made something different. I put some bell pepper, paprika in Deutsch. Also sehr lecker. And it's not too heavy soup because it's soup is when you go to toilet it's all gone.